All right, today I got a finger picking Friday for you. I got some new exercises we can talk about doing some finger picking. So the first one, we're gonna have a little chord, 5 on the bottom, and a 3 and a 2. We're gonna use our first 3 fingers. We'll go. That'll be the first little chord thing we'll do. So I use my second finger on the bottom string, then first finger, then thumb, and we'll do that 2 times, and then 2 extra notes. That gives you one whole measure of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So then I'm going to go to this one. So I've got 3, 3, and 2 down there, and I'm using the same fingers. So and then a D, and then we'll open that bottom string. So we got. Okay, so the goal is to try to hold those notes out as long as you can and try to change to the next chord cleanly so you don't drop any notes on the way. And then the whole thing of having to kind of jump back and get that new position. So trying to go through it twice would help you get back to that, having to move it around and get it back to start again. So let's try that. Let's see. I'll say 3 and 4 and then we'll go. Okay, so here we go. 3 and 4 and. Okay, so that was number 1. And number 2, we're going to jump in these bigger strings. We're going to have these bar the 2s and the 2 big ones here. Actually bar all 3 of those. And we're going to start with the pinky on the second string. To the 3. To the 2. To the open. Okay, let's try that nice and slow. 3 and 4 and. Okay, and then number 3 is just like a Pink Floyd song called If. So we got an E major chord, we go all the way up, all the way back, and then we hit these last 2 notes there and start over again. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and switch to D. Let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Okay, moving on to number 4. Now this one kind of goes up some different chords in the key of G and some other things. So we're gonna have 3 open open is a G chord, open 1 2 is an A minor chord, 2 3 4 is a B minor, 3 5 5 there is a C, 5 7 7 is a D. Here's the E minor, and I just made it an F here. This is a E minor is 7 8 9. F major would be not in this key in particularly, but it still sounds good with these others, you know. So you got 8, 10, 10, that's a F major, and then 10, 12, 12 is a G major. So that was 3 open, open, open 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 8, 10, 10, and 10, 12, 12. So let's try that. I'll give you a 3 count. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you could have used your first 3 fingers too, including the thumb there, so you could have gone. Okay, now this other one, we're going to go the other direction. 0, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, 4, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 7, 7, 5, 9, 8, 7, 10, 10, 8, 12, 12, 10. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 3 count. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then number 6. So this is from a famous classical tune called Romance. We're going to start in the 7 here. We're going to go. So we have sets of 3s in this one. Okay, so it's a little excerpt from the Romance. So we're going to start in the 7th fret. We're going to go 7, open, open. We're going to do that 3 sets. Now we're going to do it one more with the 7, but we're going to go to the 5 and the 3 after that. Okay, so it was actually like 4 7s in a row and then a 5 and a 3. So we got, I'll give you a 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go 3, 2, open. And then open 3, 7. Up to 12. Okay, so we got 4 7s, 5, 3, and then 3, 2, open, and then 0, 3, 7, and then a bunch of 12s, finish it off. So here we go, 3 count, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I do have a lesson on that whole song if you want to check that out, Romance. So let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. All right, hope you had a good fun with the finger picking exercises today for Finger Picking Friday. I'll keep it going next week. See y'all later.